Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your HTML file and placing the Bootstrap CSS Cdn link inside the head. Do this now. Add the link element before any of your custom styles so Bootstrap rules load first. Once inserted, include integrity and cross-origin attributes to ensure resource integrity and consistent caching behavior. This prevents mixed content problems and speeds iteration. Make sure the document uses HTML5 doc type and a charset meta tag so fonts and components render predictably. Next, you add the JavaScript side. Place the dependency script popper and then the Bootstrap JS CDN right before /body. Doing this improves load performance and ensures interactive components initialize after the DOM is ready. Once done, keep integrity and cross-origin attributes consistent with your CSS link. This helps security policies and prevents silent failures. Also make sure you do not duplicate versions. One set of matching CSS and JS avoids conflicts and unpredictable. To finish, test components by adding a Bootstrap class-based element and refreshing the page. You should see styled elements and interactive behavior. If something fails, open your browser DevTools and look for network errors or integrity checksum messages. Make sure CSS and JS versions match and that you placed JS after the content. If local styles override Bootstrap, temporarily disable them to confirm. This single troubleshooting tip, check DevTools network and console, quickly reveals most CDN link problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.